PTERainbow.
What we're going to discuss today is how the Port of London was discovered and what we discovered about it. Now, if you look at the historical records of Roman London, there's only about 14 actual references to London in antiquity, i.e. contemporary references.
PTERainbow.
And of those, only one is in the 1st century. There are none at all in the 2nd or 3rd century. There's only one in the late 3rd century, and there's 4 in the 4th century. So if you're a historian trying to write a history of Roman London,
PTERainbow.
It's very difficult. You don't really have much data. You're going to depend on the archaeological evidence, the material evidence of the port and indeed the town to have any understanding of what happened then. And so what we're looking at here is how did we discover about the Port of London? There is no historical documentations, no customs books, no tariffs, no idea of the taxes. We have to understand the port entirely from the archaeological evidence. So that's what we're going to do today. So move on to the next slide.
PTERainbow.
I love live streaming. So thank you very much. Thank you. So our story begins in about 1910, 1911, when County Hall was being built. Just before it was built, this fine building here, in the basement of that building, the remains of a Roman ship were discovered.